Good morning. I wanted to make sure that I get everybody started on the ConfZoom. And I noticed this morning that mine was already activated, which yesterday it wasn't. So I need to make sure that yours is activated. I also was going to show you how to get there and how to get it into the correct place so you can use it easily. So I'm going to log into an old account since I already have it done on my newer ones. But this is my ALH 20. So if you go to your ALH 20 and you scroll down to settings and you click on settings, and once you get to settings, you want to go to navigation. So you click on navigation, slide down to the drag items. So we want to drag this ConfZoom and we're going to drag it up to here wherever you want it to go. So you just click it and hold it. When you click it and hold it, let's see, I think I just put it under my modules. So I'm going to slide it to under modules and it went one under. So I'm going to move that up. So now you have it here, but it's important once you have it showing to the students and yourself in that navigation bar, you must hit save. So go ahead and hit save here. And now you'll notice when you go to home, so click home, you'll notice now that it should be right under modules in this navigation bar. So what I need to know is if you have done this, so once you hit save and you go into your class, will you click on ConfZoom and see how mine has my class already set up here, so I can actually go ahead and schedule a meeting or a lecture here with my students where they can log in with me. If you don't have this and it has a phone number to call, can you email me? And actually, if anybody knows how to do the screenshot of that page that shows you, because there's certain extensions and I need to call a number on there, which now I don't have access to, but I was going to get it set up for all of you. So if anybody could screenshot me that picture that you have, so you just hit the screenshot on your computer or the print screen and then email me that, I will get everybody set up so that yours looks like this instead of the please call for help. I hope you're having a great day. I know this is going to be a challenge, but we are always amazing at stepping up to challenges. So we will do this. Have a great day, and I probably won't see you soon since we won't be on campus, but hopefully I will talk to you soon. I apologize for that ending thing. I'm not finding my my recording stop.